Hello viewers, this is Aravindar. Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see Delhi Mumbai Expressway to reduce travel time between two cities to 12 hours according to Nitin Gadkari. For more information, we shall move to inside the video. I kindly request all the viewers to watch this video in full. Now we shall go to inside the video. Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari on Thursday said the 1380 kilometers 8-lane Delhi Mumbai Expressway passing through Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat will reduce travel time between the cities to 12 to 12 and a half hours. The minister was addressing the press in Lohatki, Sohana on Thursday after he reviewed the progress of a section of the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway in Sohana. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and Union Minister Rao Indrajit Singh were also present at the occasion. Calling it a matter of pride, Gadkari said the expressway will be the longest in India and connect the urban centers of Delhi through Delhi Faridabad Sohana section of the corridor with a spur to Jewar Airport and Jawaharlal Nehru's Port to Mumbai through a spur in Mumbai. The expressway will have wayside amenities, resorts, restaurants, food courts, fuel stations, facilities for truckers, logistic parks at 6 points in Haryana. We have also envisioned a helicopter ambulance service for accident victims, and there will be a heliport which will use drone services for business as well. It also want to build electric highways along the expressway, said Gadkari. Developed at rupees 98,000 crore, the expressway is expected to be completed by March 2023. The 8-lane access controlled expressway can be expanded to a 12-lane expressway depending on the volume of traffic in the future. The first phase from Delhi, Jaipur, Lorsot and Vadodara Ankleshwar is expected to be open traffic by March 2022. More than 160 km stretch of the expressway which passes through Haryana is being built at rupees 10,400 crore, the minister said. This corridor will improve connectivity in Now and Palwal through multiple interchanges to conduct the expressway with major highways like KMP and DND Sohana. To address the serious problem of air pollution and traffic congestion in Delhi NCR, the ministry is understanding 15 projects worth rupees 53,000 crore, of which 14 projects have been initiated. This expressway will lead to a reduction of 27% in vehicular pollution in Delhi, he said. He said that the soon to be opened Delhi Meerut Expressway will reduce commute time between Delhi and Meerut to 40 minutes. There was an issue with an overbridge which has now been resolved. It will inaugurate it next month, he said. Stressing the importance of roads in a country, Gadkari quoted former US President John F. Kennedy, "American roads are not good because America is rich, but America is rich because American roads are good." Kennedy said this. I have this saying written in my office: roads lead to prosperity and development, he said. He added that the ministry was exploring options to adopt new technologies for the construction of roads and cut down the use of cement and steel. We are exploring options such as the use of steel fiber which is used abroad, he said. Gadkari said that the ministry had paid 1.5 times more than the market price to farmers for land acquisition in a liberal approach. I appeal to farmers to not to sell their land to builders and developers who usually profit when prices increase after road construction. Farmers will get more money if they develop the land, he said. Responding to a question about toll taxes making travel costly on national highways, Gadkari said, if you want good services, you have to pay for it. If one wants to conduct a program in an air conditioned hall, one will have to pay the rent. Otherwise, a wedding can be conducted in a field for free as well. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar said, with these road stretches being built, there will be economic prosperity in the region, Palwal, now and Gurgaon, and bring the employment opportunities, services, and give up a fillip to industry and growth. At least 73 villages in this region will benefit from this stretch. Khattar mentioned they had submitted a list of 18 points in South Haryana where road projects needed to be built for better connectivity, including underpasses at Bilaspur Chowk and Bawal Chowk on NH48, an interchange point at Balwal Aligarh National Highway and Eastern Peripheral National Highway, and at Faridabad Chowk. Hello viewers, from this video you may know Delhi-Mumbai Expressway to reduce travel time between two cities to 12 hours according to Nitin Gadkari. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I kindly request to all the viewers to subscribe this Aravindar and Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, thank you very much.